So in this video I'm making polymer clay earrings. I'm just warming the clay up, and it was hard at the beginning to do anything, but once you get the clay soft it was really easy to work with, so no problems there. And I didn't use any cookie cutters because I didn't find any that were not really Christmassy, like stars, trees and bells, so I just cut them myself, so it was no problem. And they also got the handmade look even more because of that, and yeah, they were really unique and I really like how they turned out. So yeah, but I will definitely get some cookie cutters. It's a bit easier to make them that way. This took a bit longer, but it was fun, so I didn't mind that it took me long. And I also made quite a few pairs, so yeah, but they really look unique. And I tried to make as many different color combinations and shapes so they all look really different, but also you can see that they're from the same collection. And I'm just smoothing everything out with my fingers so they're really even and there are no harsh edges. I got two colors, white and blue, and I actually wanted to paint on the white because to make them more fun and different, but yeah, this video would be too long, so I decided not to do that. It was my first time making earrings, so I thought maybe it's better not to complicate things for myself. So they look quite nice, like the white and the blue, and together they go well together, so I really enjoyed making them. And it's a great gift idea. It wasn't hard to make, so yeah, if you want to make something special for someone, give it a try. And yeah, it's not expensive, so you just, if you don't have any ideas, you can also look on Pinterest or YouTube for inspiration. I didn't have anything planned. I was just doing something that I thought that looked good. So yeah, I added some textures, tried different shapes, half moons, long circles. Yeah, I was playing with the clay, and if I didn't like something, I just scrapped it and started over. So there's no pressure. So I got the FIMO soft clay, and the problem with the white clay is that it was full of dust, so I will definitely get something to get the dust off. But yeah, I was making them for fun for the first time, so it's fine. But if I'm planning to sell them, I will definitely look into what to get. I will research and see how to remove the dust. I know that you can just sand it, that's what I did, but there must be something else, because with the blue I actually damaged the color by sanding them, so I would not recommend doing that. So make sure to shape everything before baking. It's easier and you don't have to refine anything. I also gifted most of them already, so I only have 2 pairs left, and I can't wait to try to paint on them. That would be really fun. And yeah, and I also want to get different colors, to maybe get some pinks and greens or some soft colors and try to mix them also. So I didn't know if I would like this project, so I didn't want to buy too many. But yeah, it's fun, so I definitely want to try it again. And I made quite a few pairs, and I tried to make them as different from one another, but still to have the same look to them. I don't know if that makes any sense. The blue clay was at first really chalky, but once you warm the clay up, it's again easy to work with. But maybe I just got a bad one, or it was really old. But yeah, and I had the most fun combining these two. And I would love to try different polymer clay brands, but I only found this one in my local art store, so yeah, that's what I got. So I think it's a good quality, so but the hardest part was to combine them at the end when they were baked. You'll see that later, but the jump rings, if I push too hard, they overlap each other, and if I don't push hard enough, they are not combined, so I'm just hoping that they will not fall apart. But so far so good. They didn't break or anything. Yeah, I wish I made more earrings, because now I have only 2 left, but it's fine. I can make new ones. And I usually don't really like, I mean, I like blue, but it's not right. Like, it's weird that I didn't take pink, but I don't know. I really like this blue. It was really vibrant and eye-catching, so I thought that it will really look good like earrings. So take your time and smooth everything out with your fingers. Don't be lazy like me and do it afterwards, because as I said, I removed the blue paint with the sandpaper. So if I took the time and softened the edges before, I wouldn't do that. But yeah, you make mistakes and you learn. It's fine. And also sorry for the lighting in this video. It was sunny, then cloudy, then sunny. It was driving me insane. But yeah, I don't have any lights yet, so I'm filming with natural light. So I hope you don't mind and that you see what I do, and I hope this will give you inspiration to try and make earrings for yourself. Let me know which one are your favorites. I'm showing at the end how they look like, and yeah, I think they really turned out really cute. So, and I also almost forgot to make the holes for the jump rings, so make sure you do everything before baking. So soft edges, smooth edges, and the holes for the jump rings. Don't forget anything. So I almost baked them, but thankfully I noticed that I forgot that. So yeah, that's it. Bye.
Kiss me forever till my lips bow together. Hold me so close to you, devour my sweater. Touch me so softly and caress me so gentle. Love city, baby, let me be your adventure. Virgen Maria, when around your neck. You think you a goodie, but you ain't no saint. Hold me, baby, and I ain't a snitch. Why is he really bad? He thinks he can get away with things. Ooh, baby. Dime, si haces malas cosas de alejarte de mí. Don't you go too far away.